Hey guys, in this video, let's discuss what does restrict mean on Instagram and how to restrict someone on Instagram. Instead of restricting a user on Instagram, it is similar to blocking them, but a little more polite. Whereas blocking a user hides your entire feed and stories from them, and the restrict feature simply hides their comments and messages from you while still allowing them to view your post. Let's see how to restrict someone on Instagram. Just open your Instagram application, then go to your profile. Then as you can see here, I have my post here. Let's open the comment section. And as you can see here, there are lots of comments. Let's tap this comment, long tap. As you can see, there is a call out that has an exclamation mark. Let's tap this and choose restrict launch.2021. If you want to restrict that person, that comment, just tap this restrict. And then dismiss. And then if you want to unrestrict, just tap it again and unrestrict someone. Okay, that's it guys on how to restrict and unrestrict someone on Instagram. Okay, thank you for watching and keep following for more updates.